Today, I'm going to show you how to allow audio and video calls from people in your address book on X.com, formerly Twitter, using just a few quick settings. This is a simple privacy option, but it can make a big difference if you want to control who can reach you while still staying connected to the people you know. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media guides. Let's go ahead and get started. First, log into your X account and look at the left navigation bar. Here, you need to click on More. This opens up the full menu with additional account options. From that menu, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, privacy preferences, and communication settings. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click Privacy and Safety. This section manages how your account interacts with other users and what kinds of communication are allowed. Next, click Chat. This is the area where you can control calling and messaging features on X. Now look for the section that says Allow audio and video calls from. Under that section, find People in your address book and toggle it on. Turning this on means people in your address book will be able to make audio and video calls to you through X. Once the toggle is enabled, the setting is saved automatically, and you're done. That's all it takes to allow audio and video calls from people in your address book on X.com. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.